I'm considering going to a conference in a few months. I pulled a list of people attending and speaking, ran them all through my research system, and now I know exactly who to talk to and how to approach them. Whether their company fits my criteria, what they're focused on, what challenges they're dealing with, and more. All of it sitting in one table. I can filter this down and find who's relevant to me. Or I might look at this and realize there's nobody I need to meet, and that saves me the trip. I'm showing this for a conference, but the same system works for any use case. Let me show you how it works. I got my list from the conference website, but you can also pull it from LinkedIn or event apps. All the system needs is a company domain and the person's LinkedIn URL. For company research, I'm using Mira. It's my open source multi-agent AI system for company research. On the people side, I'm using Orca, also my open source project. It's an AI agent for deep LinkedIn profile analysis. Here's how the system works. You start with your initial list. You give Mira a company domain and it sends out AI agents to research the company through their website, LinkedIn and Google searches. You give Orca a LinkedIn URL and it gathers their posts, comments and reactions, then analyzes them and extracts insights like their expertise, what they care about, what challenges they're dealing with, and more. Finally, all the research flows back into one table. So this is my initial list in Clay. If you don't know what it is, it's basically a spreadsheet that can connect to other tools. For each row, it sends the company domain to Mira and the LinkedIn URL to Orca, and the results come back into the table. I'm using Clay for this video, but both Mira and Orca are standalone tools, so you can integrate them whatever system you're using. I've already run this on the full list, but for the demo, I'll run it on 10 people so you can see how it works. I sped this part up, but 10 rows usually takes a few minutes. Alright, let me walk you through the results. On the company side, I can see if they are B2B, if they are using AI, if they have a high ticket model, whether they are recently funded. This helps me quickly figure out if a company fits my criteria. On the people side, I have their current focus, challenges, what they post about, and more. This is what helps me know how to approach them. These are the fields I needed, but you can configure both Mira and Orca to look for whatever you want. Now I can filter the table and find who's relevant to me. I can reach out to them before the conference and show up prepared. I used the conference for this video, but this works for any list: investors, prospects, competitors. If you found this useful and want to see more systems like this, subscribe.